Who are you? What's your role? Where do you work?
Hi, my name is Salman Iqbal, and I'm an instructor at LearnCubes, and I'm also a DevOps consultant for Synergy.
What are 3 Kubernetes emerging tools that you're keeping an eye on?
At the moment, it's all about auto-scaling, so I'm looking at tools like KEDA, and they're backed with AI updates.
Our podcast guest, Matt, argues that GKE is one of the best Kubernetes managed services because a lot of complexity is taken away from you. For example, he mentioned autopilot as a way to provision the correct node size and optimize your utilization automatically. What's your opinion on Kubernetes managed services?
Absolutely. Kubernetes managed services, be it Google, AWS, or AKS, they do take away a lot of complexity of getting it up and running and applying best practices. So you should definitely use one of the managed services. Which one you use is entirely up to you. And all of these managed services have reasonable amount of features available for you to work. And 95% of the time, you can pick any one of these and it will work. But they take away a lot of complexity to get it up and running and run and maintain your clusters moving forward.
Pierre discussed how upgrading a Kubernetes cluster involves more than just the control plane and nodes. It also involves all the tools installed in it, such as the ingress controller, Prometheus, and more. What tools do you use and recommend for upgrading a cluster?
So I always recommend that the cluster should be upgraded in a test environment. So don't ever upgrade in production straight away. There are some tools for it. There's a tool called Pluto. You can just search Pluto Kubernetes that you can run against your source control, and it will tell you which of the resources are going to be deprecated. So you can always plan beforehand if an API is changing to run this tool against your source control, all your resources within Git, and it will tell you if any of these resources are going to be deprecated.
Kubernetes turned 10 years old last year. What should we expect in the next 10 years?
In the next 10 years, I expect the space to grow even bigger than what it is today with all the tooling. I hope it becomes easier for people to get onto the cloud native journey. That's my hope.
What's next for you, Salman?
I'm out here in KubeCon with Bart, the superhost, and Amin, the vice superhost. And we're going to go and do some YAML games in a little while. I'm going to go and see some fish at an aquarium and, meet a bunch of other people and also learn about all the workflows, improvements that are happening in cloud native space.